video, I'm gonna discuss some sentences in which we commonly make mistake while speaking. So let's look at that and their correct version. Number one is I am agree. This is a wrong sentence. Instead of saying I'm agree, you must say I agree. Okay? Because this is indefinite tense, so we don't use am or SRM with I. Okay? So this is I agree. Number two is she don't like it. No, we don't use don't with she. She is a third person singular. She, he, and it we commonly use does not with them. We don't use do. We use do with I and we, they, you. These pronouns take do or for the negative do not, while these take does not. Number three is it's me. It's wrong. You must say that it means. Rather than using apostrophe with comma, it means iska matlab, it means. Right? Next sentence is can you tell me how looks she? No, this is wrong. You must say that. Can you tell me how she looks? Use first subject, then verb. This is the correct placement. You must use this sentence rather than using this order. How she looks is the correct order. Next is I have visited London last year. There they have mentioned the time that I have visited. मैं visit कर चुका हूँ London, any city last year. पिछले साल. You're talking about the past. You must use past indefinite tense. Instead of using present perfect tense, you must use past indefinite tense for the action that has taken place long ago. We use present perfect for those actions which have recently completed, not that action had or has been completed long. For that, we use second form and past indefinite to mention the action that has taken place long ago. Okay. Next is I don't know nothing. Nothing kuch bhi nahi. मैं नहीं कुछ जानता. This is wrong. You must say I don't know anything. I do know nothing is a incorrect sentence. The correct version is I don't. You will make negative over here and change nothing with anything. Well, the last one is I want to go to home. This is a wrong sentence. Rather than using to preposition, you must use one time preposition over here with want to. I want to go home. Go to is a incorrect sentence. Don't use to twice. This is perfect when I want to go home. That's it. So if you want to learn more English, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Thank you very much.